I actually feel so nervous and afraid about posting a video, but like there's the saying, face the fear, so that's what I'm gonna do. Oh my. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm filming a get ready with me chit chat kind of video. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do like a makeup look and then just like talk about a couple things. So yeah, let's just get straight to that. Yeah, so I have not posted on this channel in like 2 years, and I just wanted to talk a bit about that, and then like just a bit about me in general and stuff. So yeah, let's do that. So first, to start off my makeup, I'm going to use mascara on my eyebrows. I actually don't like to fill in my brows anymore because my brows are quite full, so like this is what they look like without anything on them, and then when I fill them in they look really like a bit too much. So now I just like put like mascara over them, and then that's all I do now. So yeah, let me start. So yeah, I haven't posted on here in ages. Like I used to have a load of videos up on this channel when I started it, because I was like, oh, YouTube channel, that'd be fun. So yeah, I used to have a load of videos up on here, and then basically, I don't know, like I think it was like my confidence in a way like was not really that great. So like I found myself like I would be making videos and then basically I would end up deleting the video, or like no, basically like I'd edit the video, blah 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 blah, like upload it, and then the video would go up and I would just like be watching myself, like watching the video when it was uploaded, and I would just be like, oh my god, like I'd just start like picking bits in the video, and like, oh, I'd notice something like, oh my god, my like stuff on my face, or even like when I was talking, like watching yourself talk is actually just, it's rough, like because you just like, with me, I don't know, like sometimes I feel like my voice can be so annoying, like I don't know, like if I listen to my voice I think it's so irritating. So yeah, I'd be listening to my voice. So now yeah, I'm just going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer for my eyebrows. So yeah, I'd listen back and I just find my voice so annoying. So then yeah, I would just end up like deleting a video or like putting it on private. And then I had a couple videos up, and then before going into college I was just like, nah, I'm deleting everything except for like the one video I have up, because that video got views and I was just like, oh okay, I'll leave that one up. But everything, even that video that's up, I've wanted to remove it because I just don't like the way I look in it. I was just like, sure, look, it's grand, I'll leave it. But yeah, so it was just like, I really enjoyed like making the videos, really enjoyed editing them, but yeah, just like I like sorry, like my confidence has been something that I've needed to work on for ages, like since I was young in a way. Like I've always just never felt like, I don't want to be like, oh, felt like I was pretty or whatever, like it wasn't like I felt like I was like ugly or something, but there's just like, I was very like self-critical. So yeah, even when it came to like photos and stuff, like I've just always been like a really like critical person of myself, which can be very bad, because even I remember like when I made Instagram for the first time, I think I restarted my Instagram like 5 times. Like I'd have photos up and then like I'd just be looking at my Instagram, and the next thing you know I would have like deleted everything, and then people would be like, oh my god, what happened? And I was just like, yeah, I just felt like starting again. Yeah, so just like stuff like that. Yeah, so I've filled in my brows, well, I've brushed my brows with the mascara and then used my concealer, and now I'm gonna do eyeshadow with this palette. Wait one sec so you can see it. Yeah, so This palette, I got it in Boots. It's by Obsession Cosmetics. Really good, really cheap as well. And yeah, these are like the colors. I haven't really used it because I literally got it like around Christmas time. But yeah, I want to do like a kind of orangey, bronzy kind of eyeshadow, so I'm going to use this palette. I think some of you can probably relate to this. Like, say you're looking at, if you've ever looked at like a picture of yourself, like say something you posted on Instagram, and then you know when you just look at it for so long and then you just start to like notice like blemishes or just like things that are wrong with the picture. That used to happen to me a lot with like when I was making videos, and then it was just kind of becoming a thing where I would just make videos and then I would just end up putting them on private or deleting them. And then after a while I was just like, you know what, yeah, there's actually no point in me doing this. Like, this is like clearly something that I need to work on for myself. And then I just kind of decided to stop making the videos. But it was like a thing where I was like, oh, you know, like maybe I'll come back to it. And then obviously I didn't. So yeah, and I feel like it was kind of good in a way, because especially like coming into like college and stuff, I feel like I've found myself a lot more. I think I'm more confident as a person, and that was something I definitely had to work on. Because yeah, I've always just been like a very, I've been a very like paranoid person as well. Like, I overthink things, or like I'd overthink things that aren't that deep, and like I always used to kind of like compare myself to like my friends around me. So like I'd kind of feel like I was like, if I was like with a group of like friends and stuff, I'd always feel like I'm just not the like pretty one or whatever, just like, you know, stuff like that. And you kind of feel like, I'd feel really like silly for feeling that way, and I'd keep it in a lot. And then obviously, you know, if you just keep stuff in, it just kind of grows into something, and like it can hold you back a lot. And it's something that I've definitely worked on. Like, I've just found for myself, like, it's a thing where I would literally, in the mornings, my mom has like this thingy of, it's just like a load of stuff to like say to yourself. So you say like, I'm confident, I'm motivated, I'm beautiful. Like, it sounds really silly, but I found doing it really did help me a lot. Yeah, the confession thing really like helped, because like the tongue is powerful. So what you say to yourself a lot of the time really matters. So I found saying that to myself often really has helped, and I think I've definitely become a more confident and just like positive person, and I like myself a lot more, which is really great. And I was like, I've missed doing videos, so why not record something. Okay, so now my lashes are on, so I'm gonna do the rest of my face. And first I'm gonna go in with this sleek Illuminator, because my face is quite dry, so I just add this before I wear my foundation so that my skin cannot look as dry, if you get me. So yeah, like we're talking about like confidence and stuff. Yeah, like I was saying, I do feel like my confidence has got a lot better, but obviously sometimes, like, as you know, you'll have them days where you don't feel so great, you know, your off days where you just feel somehow, which is completely normal, and I do get them every now and again, but I just keep like trying to like encourage myself in a way. And yeah, and I think a big thing about just like how you feel about yourself, and not even just like looks, even just about like you as a person, is like the people that you have around you. And I would say like I am pretty happy with the people that I have around me. Like, the people that I have around me are really good people, and they help me feel good about myself as well. Yeah, because I feel like your environment can affect you a whole lot. So like it's really important the people that you have around you, because if you have like negative energy and just like negative people or people who are putting you down all the time, then obviously that's going to affect your mood and how you feel about yourself. So that's like a really big thing, that yeah, always be careful who you have around you. Okay, so now it's time for my foundation, and the foundation I use is Fenty. I've wanted this foundation for ages, and then I finally got it for Christmas, and my shade is 430, and I really like it because this is the first time that I got a foundation that's actually my shade. So yeah, I really like it, and it's not too heavy because it's water based. So yeah, really good foundation. I'm gonna use this concealer. It's the same shade I use for my eyebrows. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but it's Fawn, and I'm just gonna use it to highlight these areas. Okay, so concealer is on, and now I'm just gonna bake my face using the Obsession baking powder in the shade Topaz. Now I'm going to contour using my Sleek Highlight on Contour Kit. So it's just there. Blend everything using the MAC Studio Fix powder, and my shade in this is NW45. You can see there. Well, it's backwards, but you get the idea. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend. And yeah, like one thing I just was going to talk about as well was like, even with like makeup and stuff, I do try to not wear makeup as much. Like for college and stuff, I wouldn't really wear makeup unless there was something, or if I'm going to like something, I try not to wear makeup as much. That was like something that I kind of decided, because I feel like if you're not careful, you become very dependent on makeup, and I never want to become one of those people who can't like leave their house without it. So I do try not to wear as much. I'd love to become the kind of person who could like go to like events and stuff and not wear makeup. Haven't gotten there yet, but you never know. But yeah, I definitely like, obviously I enjoy like doing makeup, and I like find it so fun. And like if people want to wear makeup every day, like that's not like, I'm not saying like that's wrong or anything. I'm just saying for me personally, I just made a conscious decision to not wear makeup all the time, because yeah, I just don't want to become one of those people who can't leave our house without it. So yeah, so yeah, now that's all blended. Oh my god, my hair is getting in the way. Okay, so now that my face is done, I'm going to set my face with the Makeup Revolution setting spray. You can see it there. And for my lower lashes, I use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So now my makeup is done. So yeah, if you watched till the end of this video, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you guys can think of like any other kind of videos that I should do, please let me know. I really hope that I actually post more, because I actually enjoyed filming this. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll leave all my social media I'll leave all my social media below, and yeah, thanks again, bye.